Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Donnn here today, man. And today is a big day for me. Well, it's not that big, but you know, it's something new today, and I'm finna get this thing half naked. And what I mean by half naked, YouTube, is taking this off, and I will be taking this back hardtop piece off. And by the way, this will be my first time ever taking this off. You know what I mean? So that's why I say it's such a big day for me. And this will be my Jeep's first time being half naked. Y'all get a quick look at it. Thing looking nice, man. Just got it cleaned not too long ago. If you've been watching some of my videos, if you haven't, you better go watch them. And click the subscribe button because we got a lot of content coming. But just got it cleaned up, so you see it's pretty shiny, reflecting pretty hard at that sun. So we got like down here in Florida, we got like almost 2 full weeks of sunny weather, y'all. So I guess this is like the perfect time for me to take the top off. I've been waiting for the perfect time to do it because I don't want to take it off for one day and have to put it right back on, y'all. So let's get straight into this video, y'all. Let's do it. All right, YouTube. So the first step of getting this hard top off is you come up front and you would take your front 2 pieces off first. So let's go ahead and get these off. And it's pretty easy to take these off, by the way. You can come up here and look. You just pop these latches down, pop that down, hit this latch, 1, 2, 3, and then boom, top come right off.
I'm gonna show you how to really do it, YouTube. With one hand, while holding the camera.
He dropped my top, y'all ain't gonna see a live beating on YouTube. So I just sit these off to the side and then we'll start on the back. So once you get the tops off, YouTube, as you can see, you come up top, you got one screw here and another one over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock these out, get them out the way since I'm already over here. Take these out real quick. Get these on out of here. Came out pretty quick too. Crazy. All right, YouTube, next you'll just come in here and detach this. And once you detach this just gives power here to your back windshield, and that's all that is. And once you detach this, you're gonna go ahead and loosen these 3 bolts on both sides. And after that, we should be able to take the top off, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. All right, YouTube, that's the 6 bolts. There's only 6 of them. It went by pretty quick. So I'm gonna just stash these in the little cubby real quick. Right here. Got that in there. So I'm gonna attempt to do this on my own, y'all. I just wanna see if people can actually take the top off by themselves. So this is gonna be your answer right here, y'all. So this is the moment of truth. Let's try it out. If not, y'all, my cameraman gonna have to help me take it off. So let's give it a shot. Oh, shit, this motherfucker heavy, y'all. All right, stop recording. Yeah. All right, YouTube. So a little advice: if you've never taken the top off before, the hard top, I actually had to come up front first to kind of pull up here first, just to pry it off, because it was kind of a lot of friction right there. So since it's never been off, so let's get this one more shot. Yeah, y'all, fuck that. Use 2 people. You can pick it up by yourself, but then you might damage something. So I'm gonna use my cameraman, y'all, because I'm not gonna mess up this truck right before Jeep Beach. So give us one moment.
The number you have dialed has been...
YouTube, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. See, you got my top off for the first time. And let me show y'all the top. And there's the top right there. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that was tough. That was some hard work. You see my man over here, he worn out. What you gotta say about that top?
Man, it's heavy.
That shit is heavy. So yeah, YouTube, I recommend if you can get some help, man, just go ahead and do it the safe way before you actually damage something, because I know that's the last thing y'all want. But let's get a look at this Jeep with the top off. All right, y'all can see how that thing look. It almost look like a little Hummer, but I wouldn't disrespect Jeep like that. But y'all get the memo. Thing look good inside. You see, you got the red matching the red up top too. Woo! Crazy. Little walk around real quick. Man. All right, YouTube. For me, my reviews and my comments is just get some help. You know, taking out all the screws and everything, that's simple. The hardest part to this process is just taking that top off. I actually watched the video before I did it on YouTube, and I seen the dude do it by himself. I got to give him a big hand clap right now. Y'all just clap it up for him, because he did that shit. He did that shit by himself. I don't see how he did that, but congratulations to him. But my advice to you people, get some help. And when you take it off, make sure you got somewhere with enough space to place it, because I actually put mine in the shed and the doors were actually too tight. Almost I had to turn it sideways. So it was a big fight and a big struggle. So make sure you have enough space whenever you take it off, and make sure it's close by, because it's very heavy off. So thank y'all for tuning in today, man. Hit the like and subscribe button for your boy Donnn C, man. I know y'all like the Jeep, and if you don't, still subscribe anyway, because I do more than just Jeeps from time to time. So y'all stay tuned, man. Got some more content coming. Jeep Beach coming soon, y'all. Stay tuned. Hit that like, subscribe, man. We out.